Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2705. Today's date is 12th April 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:17 p.m. Okay, so from couple of days I was not really making Artifact episode because of this wedding and things is actually like bit busy. Yeah, like like I'm not saying that busy, but it's just like that na ki making Artifact episode requires some sort of little bit comfortable time so I can talk about things. And yeah, but is that ki because of past couple of days, because of wedding, I was going back and forth from my home to Bittu's home. And like there are so many several things to do, and as also simultaneously I have to record my video, edit my video, upload my video, schedule my video. It's just so many things. Okay, I have to manage that thing. So because of that, I didn't really get any time to record Artifact episode. So yeah, whatever. But right now I'm feel free. Yes, wedding is over. Yes, but still there are lots of things ahead. Like basically, today is the 12th April, tomorrow is the 13th April. Day after that, it's the 14th April. 14th April is a 14 April is about Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti. I don't know what is the word for Jayanti. Okay. So, okay, why I'm saying this thing very precisely? Because of that, na, ki, what is the biggest festival in India? You should say Diwali. Yeah, obviously. But Diwali is a kind of like a festival for especially Hindus are celebrate. Okay. Like, I'm talking about the religious stuff. All right. In a Buddhist, I'm talking about in India, Buddhist. Okay. um, People are usually like 14th April is kind of like a something really Diwali for us. Okay, like basically in our region, like in Wardha, Nagpur. Okay, there's the several places where people are basically uh, basically like मानते हैं. What is the word for that? I don't know. Believe in Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar because uh, let me tell you one thing. Okay, there are several gods. Okay, uh, Ram. Okay, Hanuman, Gautam Buddha. Okay, there are so many things. Okay, but basically is that ki Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is a kind of like is not a god. Okay, yeah, he is a kind of like a person who is actually exist. Okay, he born in some several days and die in some several days, and he did something for kind of like a for people who are not really afford to educate their self and everything. It's just kind of like a very difficult situation. Like in India na, India is actually very much diversification with the caste and religious, and basically Brahman and Hindus are kind of like a really upper caste, and there are Mahar and all those things. Yeah, we are the Mahar. Okay, basically before the Buddhas. Okay, before the Buddha religious, we actually called as a Mahar. Okay, and what does we do? Mahar is a kind of like we have, like basically in today's world, we have to prove ourselves. Okay, like if we study very hard and we put a lot of effort and we get something really good job, we can afford really good life. Or but if we didn't really did that, if we didn't really put a lot of effort in education, we didn't really did anything, so basically we are not get that much kind of like a something really good job, and we are stuck with kind of like really middle class or lower class job, which is actually we put a lot of effort to do such things. All right. So usually in today's world, the people are categorized by the how much effort they did in the teenagers, in the school, and in everything. All right. But before that, I'm talking about almost like a 50 years ago or 100 years ago. It was very different. Okay, like people are actually categorized by the religious. Okay, if the person is actually belong from the Mahar, sorry, if the person is belong from the Hindu or Brahman, that person is kind of like a something really big person. Okay, yeah, doesn't mean that have a education. At that time there is no education. Okay, at that time people are categorized by the religious and things like that. So it was very much color, caste, and creed criticism, lots of things. Okay, but Bhimrao Ambedkar, he actually fight for us. They study really hard. They became something really educated. They became something really very big politician, and they fight for us. They fight for they fight for our people, the mahar and everything. Okay, and because of that, we have privilege that we can study further, we can do lots of things, we can get scholarship, we can get so many things. Right now we are actually, like, my father has a job, my grandfather has a job, because of the Bhimrao Ambedkar. They did something, and that's why my grandfather did something, and they managed to raise their family, and then my father, and after that there is me. So we are actually living at this place. We have kind of like this house. Okay, all those things have not, yeah, actually all those things, it's just not just kind of like we are just from Buddhist. No, it's not. We are put effort, like basically is that key, the effort that we put for make our life something really great. All those things happen just because of that key. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar give us a rights, adhikar, manvi adhikar, and everything. So that's why we very applaud. We are very actually we manto la English मध्ये काय म्हणते, I don't know. We manto Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So that's why in here in Wardha, in this region, okay, right now I'm living at my home Vikramshila Nagar. Okay, and every person is actually believe in Bhimrao Ambedkar. So Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti is a kind of like a something really big festival for us. So that's why it's a very big thing. All right. So yeah, like just explain the what is the 14th April. I explain the entire thing. Yeah, but yeah, it's just kind of like I also from the Buddhist. I also believe in those stuff. So yeah, all right. So after the 14th April, 16th April, we have a wedding. Okay, Shruti's wedding. Okay, and it is like everyone will came, and it's like really amazing. So yeah, so there are so many things to do. One thing is that I already record my video, but I didn't really edit my video. Why? Because of that after I record my video, then I went to Bittu's place. I came with hard drive. Okay, then I'm actually sending photos to group, because in the wedding we collect so many photos, we click so many photos, selfies, and everything. Then I collect all those photos, and right now I'm sending those photos in WhatsApp group. All right, and then all those DSLR photos and everything. Yes, okay. And in the afternoon I went to sleep. I don't know why, but I was like very much tired, and it felt like that I just need a sleep. So I went to sleep. Okay, uh, then I walk out. I came, I just ate my dinner, and after this artifact episode I have to send, because I have to send so many photos, because it is so much photos. Yeah. So this is then I will make sure that I will record artifact episode every day. Okay, every day. Yeah, I am every day I'm recording artifact episode, because some sort of reason I will not be able to make artifact episode because of some sort of reason. But yeah, I am recording artifact episode every day. All right. So this is the my artifact episode number 2705. Right now we are at Vaza, Maharashtra. Thank you.